straight to Cheetah Hunt. One of the best rides at the park. I have to go straight to it, get my ride in for the night. I'm so ready. So out of the four of us, only one of us have not been on this ride yet, and that is my brother-in-law, Keith. How do you feel?
Very nervous.
Nervous?
Very nervous.
We just drank a bunch of energy drinks, so we're hoping they stay in our stomachs. Man, that happened so fast. I was not ready. We did it. Yeah. We survived. None of our energy drinks came up. So Cobra's Curse is closed for the night, unfortunately. So we're here at Montu. Again, first time here at Busch Gardens, first try. He did good on Cheetah Hunt. No chunks, so I guess we'll see how we do on this one. So as you saw, we were literally right next to the front, literally the next party to go on the ride, and the ride shut down. Cobra's Curse was down and Montu was down, so that kind of sucks, but we're gonna go ride some other rides and see what else is open. So we found a ride that's open. Shikra, one of the best rides here. I love the pause right there, staring at the ground. Oh, this is an instructional video. How do you die? This. Oh. It broke! It broke! Oh my God! When did we fall? My lanyard almost comes completely off, and all I had to hold on to it was my teeth. That was crazy. Shikra is so good, man. Just staring down to your doom. So good. Underestimate tigers. No matter how many times you've done it, no matter how much you've been exposed to it, you always underestimate it because he's just so small. it's just so compact. But once you get on that, man, you are flying.
Good, we can drop. Golly.
You can literally see the like coast of the world. Oh my gosh. Ouch. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My ears. He survived.
You don't even feel it. I don't know. You didn't even feel it. Well, I don't feel my legs.
So I just found my new favorite thing, Kumba at nighttime. Whole different feel than doing it during the daytime. It was seriously so good. You go to the tunnel, it's just pitch black. The only thing lighting it up was our lanyards. Oh my gosh, if you have the chance, do Kumba at night. So we just finished the fireworks show Spark for the Summer Nights program. Oh my gosh, it was so good. It was literally one of the best fireworks shows I've ever seen. Fire and lasers and water and fireworks and seeing Iron Gwazi in the background. It was such a good show. You guys gotta have to check it out. Now we just ate. We're trying to run to do Montu before the end of the night, which is 2 minutes. I doubt we'll make it, but we're gonna try.
We're gonna make it.
We're gonna do it. Yes, faith. We're gonna make it. All right, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with us and riding all the rides and trying all this stuff. Summer Nights, especially Spark. Oh my gosh, that was such an awesome show. It made the entire trip absolutely worth it. That alone, it was so good. This continues on until September 6th, so you guys have plenty of time to come check it out for yourselves. Don't take my word for it. Come check it out. It's so much fun. I'm sure shortly after September 6th, they'll be getting ready for Hello Scream. So there's just back-to-back events. Busch Gardens is notorious for that, just having constant events and keeping it interesting. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.